Ndewo. So today, anyị ga-eme day 3 of our Igbo lessons. We started this 14-day Igbo learning process, okay? So today, we'll be doing school work and play. Before we do the school work and play, we will do quiz from yesterday's work, okay? So let's quickly do that. Bear with me. Okay, so you can join this quiz on kahoot.it. Okay, so kahoot.it. If you go on kahoot.it to ask you for the pin, if you put this pin 4368698, you can actually do the quiz on your phone or computer. Otherwise, you can just look here and just shout out the answer as we go along, okay? So again, the pin 4368698, okay? Why is it not letting me play this? I'm not sure why it's not letting me play this game. Okay, never mind. Oh, never mind. Let's go back to the lesson. Okay. So today we're doing school work and play. Akoko means school work or study. Okay. It also means book or paper. So akoko means a lot of things: book, paper, school work, study, and in fact, it also means like literally leaves, like leaves from the tree. Okay, but today we're talking about school work. So this is school work, akoko. Ụlọ akwụkwọ is the school building itself. So ụlọ is a house, so house of study. Ụlọ akwụkwọ, school. So that's actually like you're going to school, the actual venue. Ụlọ akwụkwọ. But akwụkwọ is your school work, your study. Ọrụ is work, okay? Akwụkwọ, ụlọ akwụkwọ, and ọrụ. So to ask somebody how is school, you say kedu maka akwụkwọ. Kedu maka akwụkwọ, or how it studies. Kedu maka akwụkwọ. If it's fine, they will say odima. Okay. If not, osirike, that means it's tough. Okay. Kedu maka akwụkwọ. So that literally means how about school. Okay. Kedu maka akwụkwọ. Kedu maka akwụkwọ. Kedu ihe na-agụ. That's when you want to say like, what are you studying? Or literally, what are you reading? Maybe they have a book in their hand. You can say that. Kedu ihe na-agụ. What are you reading? What are you studying? It can also mean what level are you in school? So depending on what you're asking the person, okay, it's the same question, but if it's not clear, then you have to explain what you're asking to the person. So kedu ihe na-agụ, okay, is what you're studying. In which case they might say, Nago business. Let's say they're in the university or something. Nago business, I'm studying business. If you're asking like what level, then they might say something like Nago elementary or primary school. Okay, so primary school, secondary school, we just say it like that. Nago secondary, Nago primary, or Nago elementary. Okay. So kedu ihe nago? What are you studying? Or what are you reading? Or what level are you in school? Okay, same question, can mean all those things. For the other schools, nursery school actually have a name for it, or takara. So this is like school, pre-primary, okay? Otakara. While university is mahadum, okay? Otakara, we got it from akara, actually the akara balls, made from the beans. Otakara, somebody that eats akara. So we called it like that because in pre-primary school, that's what they do. They just eat and play. So Otakara, nursery school, mahadum, university. That word comes from to know it all. Doom and nile is the same, all. Ma is know, ha is they. So know them all. Mahadum, university, mahadum, or mahadum. He knows them all. Or he knows everything, yes. He knows them all. So mahadum, university. So somebody might say, no, nago mahadum. That means I'm in university. Nago mahadum. Nago elementary. Kedu makoro is when you want to ask about work. How is work? How about work? Kedu makoro, okay? Odimma, it is fine. Osirike, it is hard. It was a hard day, okay? Osirike. Kedu maka oro. And let's say you want to ask somebody, what's your work? You say, kedu ihe bo orogi. Kedu ihe bo orogi. What is your work? Kedu ihe bo orogi. Kedu ihe bo orogi. And they might say, mbo onye IT. Okay? Mbo onye IT. That means I'm an IT person. The onye is person. Mbo onye mgbere. I'm a business person. Okay? Kedu ihe bụ ọrụ gị? What is your work? Kedu ihe is what? You might also hear people say gịnị bụ ọrụ gị. That's correct also because gịnị is also what? Gịnị bụ ọrụ gị? Kedu ihe bụ ọrụ gị? Mbụ onye IT. Mbụ onye mgbere. So mbụ onye this, mbụ onye that. So I'm a person who does this, I'm a person who does that. So these are other occupations that people might do. Onye nkuzi, a person who teaches, so teacher. Onye nkuzi. Dibia is a doctor, a traditional doctor that uses like the herbs and things traditionally to heal. Will be dibia, to help people to get better. Dibia. Dibia Beke will be the contemporary doctor, the doctor as most people know it today that work in hospitals. Those are the Dibia Beke. Okay, Dibia Beke, the doctor that's studying like the contemporary medicine, Dibia Beke. While Dibia is a local herbalist. Dibia. Osinri, cook or chef, okay? Person that cooks. So teacher, onye nkuzi. Dibia, traditional doctor. Dibia Beke, the doctor as most people know it today. Osinri, chef. So Umbu Osinri, I'm a chef. Umbu Dibia Beke, I'm a doctor. Umbu Dibia, I'm a traditional doctor. Umbu onye nkuzi, I'm a teacher. Okay? So what is schoolwork or study? Akwụkwọ, well done. Gịnị bụ work in Igbo? Ọrụ and play, we haven't done yet. So play is egwu. Okay, school, akwụkwọ, work, ọrụ, play, egwu. However, there are other things that come in egwu, which I'll come to, but let's do play first. So if I want to say maybe to the children, go and play, je gwu egwu, je gwu egwu, or ga gwu egwu, go and play. Okay, je gwu egwu. Nne egwu egwu, I am playing. Ada na-egwu egwu, Ada is playing. Obi na-egwu egwu, Obi is playing. Okay, I can also use this like I'm playing, like I'm joking. You know, when you're like, oh, I was playing. I'm not serious, you see. So na-egwu egwu. Okay, I'm playing. Na-egwu egwu. Okay. So I was saying that egwu can mean other things. So egwu, apart from play, can mean song. It can also mean dance. Egwu can be play, song, or dance. So to say I'm playing, we already know how to say that. Can I hear you say that? Nne-egwu egwu. Good. Nne-egwu egwu. To say I'm singing, we just change the verb. Na-agụ egwu. Na-agụ egwu. Okay. To dance, say I'm dancing. Na-agba egwu. Na-agba egwu. So the noun is the same, egwu, but we change the verbs to tell us which one we're talking about. Na-egwu egwu, I am playing. Na-egwu egwu. Na-agụ egwu, I am singing. Na-agụ egwu. Na-agba egwu, I'm dancing. Na-agba egwu, okay? Awesome. That was for joining me today. Tomorrow, the topic is food names and sentences. Yes, so today we've done schoolwork and play. Tomorrow, food names and sentences around food. I'm hungry. I want to eat this. I want to eat that. Okay, so see you tomorrow. And if you would like more support, I invite you to check out the Igbo Speakers Bootcamp, which is a group program where I gather people in a group and we all learn Igbo together. We get live on Zoom, speak and practice. And when you are not on Zoom, we have a course to look at, to learn, and recordings to listen to. Okay, so if that's something that you would like to do, visit igbostudy.com/group-coaching. igbostudy.com/group-coaching. Dalu rinne o, dalu for joining me today, Cody. Cody Mboza.